And white nanay?
May color.
Ito?
Yeah, what is that color?
Pink.
Red. Baliktarin mo.
Red.
Yeah. Sticking to it. Push mo. That's enough. Get again.
Okay. What?
Yeah.
No, ganito lang yung color, ganito.
Oh,
Hindi ganito palit natin. Ang dapat nun.
okay.
Ang dapat natin karoon natin.
Okay, come on.
Dapat natin karoon natin.
Oh, you get another one color. You focus what you're doing. Okay. You choose your favorite color.
Green.
Yeah.
I found some green.
Go.
Okay.
It's closer na. Mabubuo mo na yung letter G. Upside down mo. Red yan.
But I need some pink.
No more pink. It's red, yellow, blue, and green.
No, we need to make it yellow and red.
Continue na. O, nadadry na yung glue. Hindi na yan magiging sticking to it.
Right?
Yeah. Not white. You upside down.
Okay. I down. Oh.
Go na.
My green.
Yeah.
I try again. Oh, you said it.
Push mo. Closer to each other.
Ito na.
Ang
blue na.
Okay. Closer to each other. Move mo. Closer to each other. No space.
Ta-da!
Okay.
And this one.
This letter I. Oh, you put glue.
Okay.
Oh, from the top to the bottom. Here first, and then go down. Don't squeeze. Okay. Okay. Where's the glue? It's missing. Try again.
I need to squeeze it.
No, don't squeeze it. Give me. Nanay will help you. Look at me. Look at me. Start here from the top to the bottom. You hold the paper. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Red.
Already go. You start from the top. Here, the top to the bottom. Oh, go na. You're not yet done.
Nasasaktan pa ba yan?
Where are you going?
I'll let my back on.
No, don't get your bag. One at a time.
Maybe it's tiny.
Yeah.
But I need some big. Ta-da! It's done now. But the other one?
Another one is missing.
Yeah. Oh. Only D?
Ano baliktad?
Oh.
Good job. Why is not fit?
Because I have no face.
Oh, put ka na naman ng...
I'm
No!
please.
Dito na.
Please.
Hindi. Finish your work.
I got
You're not yet...
it.
Don't squeeze it. Matapon yan lahat. Pagka natapon yan lahat, uulitin mo yan. Idikit mo. Wala naman. Wala naman lumalabas. I don't see anything. How can you sticking to it?
Put it to glue.
Put mo. Try again. Don't squeeze. Sige na. Put it down. Go. Tingnan mo yung mga nails mo. Ang daming soil. You're playing soil again. Go na.
I gotta squeeze it.
Don't squeeze too much.
Okay.
Yan na, lumalabas na. Oh, wag mo nang i-touch. Madi-dirty na yung paper eh. Oh. Sige na, go na. Squeeze. Go. That is letter D. For Giddy. Get ka na. Get ka na. Okay, if that is your favorite, you can do it. What is that color?
Blue.
And then,
Take it out.
sticking to it is so much fun.
Yeah. And forward.
Oh, it's upside down.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Yes. Push mo pa yung yellow, mariremove yan. Push mo yung yellow. Yan.
Wasn't that thing mo? Have no face.
Lagyan natin para madikit. Kasi ang bibig ng amo mo eh. Ng colors. O, see? Sticking to it na. Closer to each other. They're best friend. Okay? What is that color?
Red.
Good job.
Tingnan when I turn to red
Yeah.
and green
Yeah.
and lots of color.
Hmm. What color is that?
Red. And the gold.
Don't remove na kasi masisira. Finish na yan eh.
Oh.
Oh, next na.
Thank you, pink.
Yung tail pa ng letter D, wala pa yung tail.
They look like a tail. My tail, but I have red.
Yeah. Come on, you put here.
Okay.
Don't leave a space. Here, the tail.
Oh.
Baliktad.
Oh.
You look at the color. You move closer to the yellow. It's far away. They're best friend.
Yeah.
No. Here, you push like that. Push. I don't see it na. Oh, what's next color? What is that color?
Red and yellow.
Yellow?
But I cannot take by my.
You get only one.
What is that?
Here. You continue.
I need some glue too.
Later na. Oo. I add some more. So that you can stick it to it. Not that. It's so very big. You need to cut it. Oh. Let's cut.
And I want some glue.
Your finger. Oh, man. Another one.
But malit yan. Maliit na.
It's okay. That is the right thing to do.
Wait. Get out my hand.
Sige na.
I want some glue. Oh.
O sige na, sticking to it mo na. Na-dry na naman. Wala no. What? You're making a hamburger?
A TV hamburger.
O sige na, continue your assignment.
I need some glue. My train. And dito pa.
Pour it down. It's okay na.
Oh.
Lo. Finish mo na yung ano mo, assignment mo. Mamaya ka na mag-play niyan. What is that?
I need some glue on my head. For my hair. And this one for my hair. Tank onion, but it's number one. But tomato tank onion is the number one. The tomato tank onion. That it's red hat.
Okay.
But It's
Diyan
like my
na.
hand.
Hala.
Ah!
Ingay.
Ew. Ew. Help me, Nanay. Make away. I can use pizza. And now I have a grab pizza. Get my hand.
Sige na, sauce. Hindi na tayo na-finish.
I want some glue.
Guys. Last na yan, ha? Oh, that's enough na. Huwag mo ilagay dyan. Tingnan mo, na-dry na to, oh. Mabubutas na yung ano natin, paper, kasi na sobrang dami na ng glue. Bilisan mo na.
Can I have the pizza up there?
Hey, where are you going? You finish your work.
I can have a number one.
So, ayan po yung project ni Gidi. So, kinat out po namin to. Ayan, mga art paper, different colors. Ayun. Tapos, ito po yung name niya. Ayan, Giddy, Gidi. Kaso, hindi pa finish. Kasi, ayan, naglalaro pa siya, oh. Go back here na. You finish your work.
And I want to try.
Opo. So, that's all. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye-bye, Giddy. Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.